In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Notion effectively for note-taking. First, open the Notion app on your mobile device. Now, tap on Continue with Google to log in using your Google account. After that, tap on Continue to access your Notion workspace. Here, you can add a quick note widget to make note-taking easier. To do this, tap on Add. Next, tap on Files to attach any documents and references you want to include in your notes. Then, tap on Date to add a date to your notes for better organization. Now you can also add tags to categorize your notes, making them easier to find later. Then, tap on the Designed area to add tags. Next, tap on the Add and property to customize your notes further. Here, you can specify different types of information you want to include. Then, tap Add Comment to enter any additional thoughts or comment related to your notes. In the space below, write down your main notes. For example, you might change the file name to something descriptive like Portal Notes. Finally, in the notes section, you could write details such as portal were seen in the sky in 1551 in Germany and Switzerland to capture the important information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.